Hey everybody, welcome to the 395 Junkie Garage. I'm Daniel, this is Goose, aka Tish, aka Mama Goose. And today we're coming to you from the garage to talk about a very special celebration for the channel. We are this close to 10,000 subscribers, and this is more than we ever expected. You know, this all kind of started off as fun, documenting some of our trips, putting them on YouTube, and then I got a lot of thrill on editing. It got to be pretty fun, added some music, and then it just got out of hand. And now we've got a garage full of camping gear, we've got a couple Jeeps that we love taking out, and we really appreciate you guys subscribing, all 10,000 almost of you. And in return, we thought we'd do a little giveaway. Maybe by the time this video hits and the Instagram post hits, we'll be at 10,000, but it's pretty gosh darn close. So what we're going to do right now is I'm going to turn it over to Mama Goose, and I'm going to let her explain what the rules are and what the prizes are for one single lucky winner. Go ahead, Mama Goose.
Yes, so the rules are simple. You have to be 18 years or older to participate, avoid where prohibited, and very easy. We wanted to make this pretty simple for you guys. So this is an Instagram giveaway. You must go to Instagram and follow 395 Junkie as well as Tembo Tusk, and their handles are listed here. And once you do that, you will need to like 395 Junkie's Instagram giveaway post. In that same post, you need to comment stating the first meal you plan to cook on your Scottle.
And it could be breakfast, lunch, dinner, dessert, you name it.
Anything that you plan to cook on the Scottle. The next thing you can do, this is optional, but if you share his post to your story, in that story you need to also tag 395 Junkie and Tembo Tusk so that they get the notification that you did that. That will count as a bonus entry. So you will have 2 entries into the giveaway for doing that. One entry is for following the rules of liking, commenting, and following, and the bonus entry will be for your Instagram story that you tag them both in. One lucky winner will get a Tembo Tusk Scottle grill kit with the adjustable legs, as well as some merch from 395 Junkie, hat, shirt, and sticker, and patch. The shirt comes in a small, medium, large.
Or large. You get small, medium, or large.
Oh, yes. You get one shirt in the size that you need, small, medium, or large. You will also get a Tembo Tusk shirt and sticker. The Tembo Tusk shirt comes in extra large.
Well, the Scottle, everybody should know what the Scottle is. But just in case this is the first time, for some reason, you never saw any of our videos, I'm going to roll some clip right now, which will give you guys an idea what the adjustable leg Scottle looks like and how you might be able to use it. And we'll catch up with you guys on the other side.
If you want to, I'll get you flowers waiting around the bend. Baby, let's just pretend. I wanna stay like this forever. I wanna stay right here with you. I wanna stay right here with you. As the rest we fall until it all breaks down. But I need it so I will stay around. When you're all messed up, it's a great relief to be understood. It's a shame still waters run deep. So let us walk right into the forest, to the trees and the rising sun. It is something we can't outrun. I do whatever it takes to hold you, whatever it takes to you. Wanna be in this game for 2. When it all comes down, do you
guys, so that was the Tembo Tusk Scottle, in case you didn't know what it is. Any last words, Mama Goose?
Yes, very important. Start time.
Oh, yeah.
So, giveaway starts today. It's Sunday, January 17th, 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. So make sure you go to Instagram now to follow the ways to enter here. And contest is going to end on Friday, January 22nd, 11:59 p.m. Pacific Standard Time.
And when does the winner get announced?
Winner will be announced on Sunday, January 24th in the Instagram giveaway post.
The original post.
The original post.
So
yes.
go there.
So make sure you go there to see if you are our lucky winner for the big grand prize of the Tembo Tusk Scottle Grill Kit.
Yep, a couple shout outs before we close it out. First, just want to thank Jerry over at Tembo Tusk for giving away one of his Scottle kits.
Yes.
And second, a big shout out to my nephew, who for Christmas gave me my $3.95 junkie flag that you see here. I figured it was perfect for this video. Alright, so that's about it, and we're going to let you guys go, and we will see you on the next film, and hopefully that is on the trail somewhere. So,
Good luck!
see you later. Happy trails.